Stop saying, I waited a long. It's a huge red flag that you're a beginner.
Wait, really? But long is about time, right? What should I say instead?
In today's video, we're going to fix your English and show you how to use long like a total pro.
I'm ready. I feel like I use the same 3 phrases every single day.
Lesson 1, Duration. We usually don't use long alone in positive sentences. We say, a long time.
So, instead of I've lived here long, I should say I've lived here for a long time?
Exactly. But here's the trick, in questions and negatives, you can use long by itself.
Give me an example. Like, have you been waiting long?
Perfect. Or, it didn't take long. That sounds supernatural.
Okay, that's easy enough. But what about when I want to tell a story quickly?
That's lesson 2, the long story short idiom. People love this one.
I've heard that. Does it just mean to summarize?
Exactly. Instead of boring someone with details, you say long story short, we missed the flight.
Long story short. I forgot my keys and had to climb through the window. Like that?
Exactly. It saves time and makes you sound much more casual and fluent.
What if something takes forever? Like a boring speech?
Then you use the adjective long-winded. It's a great high-level word.
Long-winded? Like the person has too much wind in their lungs?
Sort of. It means they talk for way too long and it's boring. His presentation was very long-winded.
I know a few people who are definitely long-winded. I'll use that tomorrow.
Before we move on, let's do a quick interaction. Pause the video right now.
Go ahead, hit pause. Try to write a sentence using long-winded in the comments.
Did you do it? Good. Let's look at lesson 3, in the long run.
Is that about jogging? Like a marathon?
No. It means, eventually or over a long period of time. Especially regarding decisions.
So, learning English is hard now, but it will help me in the long run?
Spot on. It's about the future result of an action you take today.
That's a very business-sounding phrase. I like it.
It's used in business, but also in daily life. Now, let's try a roleplay to put this all together.
Okay, I'll be the friend who just got back from a disastrous vacation.
Hey. How was the trip to Italy? Was the flight long?
Ugh, don't ask. Long story short, the airline lost my luggage.
Oh no. Did it take long to get it back?
3 days. And the customer service agent was so long-winded, I thought I'd never leave.
Well, look on the bright side. In the long run, you got a travel voucher for a free flight.
That's true. It was worth the headache, I guess.
See? You used all 4 perfectly. How did that feel?
It felt much more natural. I didn't have to keep saying very, very long for everything.
That's the goal. Advanced English is about variety and precision.
Let's recap for everyone watching so they don't forget.
1. Use a long time for positive sentences. 2. Use long for questions and negatives.
3. Use long story short to summarize. 4. Use long-winded for someone who talks too much.
And 5. In the long run for future results over time.
I'm definitely going to use these in my next English conversation.
You should. And if you found this helpful, you know what to do.
Subscribe for daily tips and hit that notification bell.
We post new lessons every single day to help you reach fluency faster.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Keep practicing, and don't be long-winded. Bye.
Bye everyone.